and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a little unboxing today. So this is some of the diamonds I've ordered to help complete my Heaven and Earth Designs massive project. So let's just get this little bag open. On the other side it's got my address, so hence the reason I want to undo it from this side. So I only ordered 3 colours. I only ordered 3 colours, and I ordered just a few pots of the 2000 pots. So let's have a look at what the quality and stuff of these are like. Oh, they're cute. They are cute. So let's move that out the way. So I'm just going to pull up the details of this order, so that one, I can confirm, and second, you can also know how much I've paid for them. So these cost the grand sum of 76p each is what they cost, including shipping. They do say it is approximately 2000 beads, and I ordered 3 lots of the 939, which are there. I've ordered 2 lots of 3371, and I ordered 1 lot of 400. Okay, because I am wanting to do the project with my spare beads primarily. However, when something has 15,000, as in the 939, and I only have a couple of thousand, there's no way I'm going to get them all. So, oh, the little screw top pots, we do have a little bit of static going on, but that's fine. They're square and oh, they're beautiful. I must say, even looking at them, just as I've tipped a few out, static or not, they are really nice quality. As you can see, there are a few that are upside down, but there's no little nubs on them. Yeah, they're going to be really nice to work with, which is good because I have a lot of these to place. So that was the 939s that just sort of exploded due to static, but hey, it's going to happen, especially plastic into plastic. And then all I've done is tipped it out into plastic again. So I'm going to fight with popping those back in a moment, but let's have a look at the other ones as well. They're not very exciting colours, I'm afraid. It's not like they're bright and colourful. Again, this one's got static, but this is 3371, and this one is a dark brown. But again, even looking at those ones that are stuck in the lid, and they've filled these pots, like, these are fit to bursting. That is very true to the colour brown. And then lastly, the last one I had was a 400, which is, when it focuses, is sort of more like an earthy brown. I actually needed 4,000 of these for my project. So I did order 1 pot of 2,000 just to get me started. But yeah, they were, let's say, the grand sum of 76p each. So a total of £4.54 I've spent on all these pots, and shipping wasn't too bad. They've arrived today, which is the 29th of May as I'm recording this. I ordered them on the 11th of May. So actually, that's really good, especially considering it didn't come tracked or special delivery or anything. That was just as a standard parcel. So if you're in need of any extra beads for any projects, I would recommend, oh, shall I tell you the store? That'd be an idea, wouldn't it? I need to click on one of them. It's not, oh, there we go. So it's the Golden Pano official store. Oh, is that going to focus? There we go. So Golden Pano official store. And they do have them separated by colour. So when you click on one of them, just to show you, it sort of tells you that it's the colours between this amount. And when you go to select on colour, if I can get it to do it, so there we go, that's the colour variations for that lot. And then what you can do is, if you, I think it's in product description, no, I think I did it on the computer, it was a bit easier, but in with the details that they put in here, on the computer version they had a link, so you could click on the link to get different colour ranges. It wasn't, I don't think it was visible on my phone, so I did add them to basket on my computer. I did find that was a bit easier. But yeah, little pots of 2,000 or approximately 2,000, and yeah, they've arrived super quick in super great condition. So yeah, if you need any spare drills, this is the place to go. So I just thought I'd give you an update on that, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.